Let's do job 2 with this recording. I'm starting in the student instruction manual on page 21 for job 2. And a couple of things I want to point out to you. First of all, we are covering rules 5 through 8. At this point, you should have read in the textbook about these rules, chapter 4. You should have done the self-help checks, the self-checks to practice on them. Lots of things that you're able to do in the textbook. Here in the student instruction manual, we're going to start with the supplies needed. The first thing you need is the file box with guides from job 1. Now, with guides means everything that was in your job at the end of job 1. So the guides, the 25 records, the 18 records, the 7 cross-references in correct coded order. So you need the entire thing. We're going to add to your file box in job 2. It wants you to add one more guide, the pre-printed numbers guide. You'll find that in your supply simulation kit. Cut it out and put it at the front of the file box. It should be the first guide. Then you want 18 cards numbered 19 through 36. Those are the purple or the lilac cards. You want, from Form Pad 1, you want 6 blank cross-reference cards from Form Pad 2. Those are the pink cards. Then you want your report sheet. It is not in a data CD. It is in D2L under the Assignments tab in our course. Download it, save it on your computer. And then, of course, you want a pencil so that you can erase when you make mistakes. We all will. As far as the file setup is concerned, you should already have A, R, S, T, and U from job 1 and all the records that went with job 1. And you're going to take the numbers guide and add it to the front of those. Now, what I'm going to do with this video, with this next video, is to start you on number 3E, and I will go through each of these records and show you, explain how you will code those correctly.